Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In this tutorial we will be continuing the averages and specifically talking about the mean. The mean of the data is the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. So it's basically adding everything you have in this set and then dividing all of these values by the total number of these values. So we're going to solve these two examples to get to know more about the mean. The exercise says calculate the mean for the following data sets. Set A has 6, 7, 8, 10, 10, and 13. So in the numerator, we're going to have to add all of these numbers, 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 13, and divide them by their number. These are 6 numbers, so their total is 54 divided by 6, which is 9. B, 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12. We go ahead, we add all of those, and then we divide them by their number. And these are 5 numbers, so their sum is going to be divided by 5. And their sum is 50 divided by 5, which is 10. So 10 is the mean for set B, and this is basically how you can calculate the mean out of a set.